everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today we are doing, as you have read by the title, Boxycharm. It's upside down. Yes, I opened it. Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription. For here in Canada, I think it works out to something like $30. Can't remember. But they are full-size products that you get. Most of the time they're full-size products that you get in this box. So if you like this channel and if you like unboxing videos and reviews, hit the subscribe and like and comment, because I love reading all of your comments, guys. It's what keeps me going. Alright, so I did open this box just because I have already seen some spoilers, and I was a little bit worried about the shadow palette. So I did open it, and I kind of wanted to do a try on before, so we'll talk about that kind of through the video. But so this month's theme is peace, love, and boxy. Pretty, because apparently it's Coachella. We don't have that here in Canada, and I have no desire to party like I am 19, 20 again. Doesn't interest me at all. My party is in my bed with a glass of wine. I don't know, anybody else? Alright, so my first item I'm going to talk about is the Artist Couture. That's what this is the box. It's kind of marbly-ish. And I got mine in Diamond Glow, and I know there was another one that was purple, but it wasn't really, it didn't look purple, it looked kind of more like to the goldish purple side to it. And I am so glad that I opened this before, because yeah, I had a very hard time getting this open. Anybody else has got this and struggled with this thing, please just let me know, because I'm not gonna be the only one that did that. Anyways, so when you open it, it looks like that, and then this thing twists, but then underneath there was tape. So yeah, good thing I didn't do that on film, because you would have been sitting here being like, yeah, I'm done, I can't watch her do this, it's struggling, it's painful. But the color itself, I do have it on, and I don't know if you can tell, but it looks gold. It looks gold, but it's not. It goes on actually like a really nice highlight, and I was kind of worried about the like just it being loose powder, because I have some loose like eyeshadows, and I'm not totally fond of those. So yeah, so the Artist Couture, I was actually really happy with this. And this one was probably the most one I was scared about. I'm like, I don't know, guys, but actually I really like it. And you can layer it. It seems like if you just put a little bit on, you get a little bit of highlight, so that's great. I love when you can layer a product and be putting it, instead of just putting it on being like, I gotta wash that off. So we are going to talk about, my cat is in here, the Pure Festival palette. So this is the box that it came in. You can see all the pretty colors and what their name is. I've never owned a Pure eyeshadow palette before, but I do own some of their brushes. The brushes, the ones that I have aren't that great, and I think it was right when Pure was kind of just coming out with their brushes, and I had to take actually a couple back because the glue on their thing came off. So I was like, oh, Pure, I don't know. But so again, this is what it looks like. It looks like you're wearing glasses. So let's get into this. It does have a really nice mirror, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in these colors. So if you kind of leave out these two middle ones, it's a fairly neutral palette. I mean, these are like crazy sparkles, and this is more for like when I'm going out, but My kitty's knocking everything over here. So I use this one, and that one here on my eyes. And so my honest opinion is there was a little bit of fallout on the brushes. And I had a little bit of a hard time blending it out. But it is pigmented and it did layer quite nicely. I don't know if you can see here, but that is what it looks like. I don't have any mascara or eyeliner on, so I hope you can kind of see what it looks like. So overall, I'd probably use, probably won't use the sparkles. I did actually try the sparkle one, the fireworks, on the other day, and it's definitely, you gotta work with it, you gotta play with it. Your finger's definitely good. And I got a little bit of fallout on my face, a little bit, so. But overall, I mean, some of these are pretty nice, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so I got, what that's doing in there. The next one is the Luxie brushes. There we go. They feel nice, they're nice color, they're pretty, and I love brushes. This one is supposed to be more for like a contour. I have a hard time blending my contour out with this. So I'm thinking that this would make a really good, sorry I'm nasally, allergies are so bad. I think this would make a really good, nice highlighter brush. But for contour, it wasn't the greatest. The blending brush here was okay. For just putting it on and onto the lid, it was good. I had to go in with like a smaller brush and then just kind of blend in those creases and stuff like that. And then this one is great for like the under eye and stuff like that, or just patting on like the sparkles and stuff. So I still love brushes, so whatever. And then the next I got the Power Up Mascara by Butter London. I didn't open it because I have a million on the go and I need to use them before they all dry up. And yeah, so. But I will use it eventually, so I'm not sad about this one. And it's big, chunky, so. Now this one was my least disappointed. I was so very disappointed in it. It was the Starlooks eye pencil. It broke, like, couldn't even put anything on. Anyways, it's hard as a rock. You couldn't put this on your eye, that would hurt. And it barely comes off, so yeah, that's just gonna go in the garbage. It was crap. But did I get my money's worth? I think so. The Artist Couture is amazing. I probably will use the Pure Festival palette. And I always like brushes, and the mascara is always awesome. Let's read the prices of these things here. So the Pure Festival palette is $36. Would I pay that? Probably not. The Luxie brush set was $28. The Artist Couture is $70. Wow, mine's dyslexic. $27. The Butter London mascara is $20, and the Starlux is $19. Yeah, for that eye pencil, I don't even think I would pay $1 or $2 for it. That's my honest opinion. I mean, whatever. Yeah, so that was my Boxycharm for the month. I think I like last month better, but you can't always win. I heard some good things about next month, so stay tuned for that one. If you have stayed tuned through this whole thing, great, awesome. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having an awesome rockin' day. I am rocking this. Yeah, so we'll see you later, guys. Bye.